Ghana de tembia ye beso bibia no yete asemfoforo NDC for one deputy general secretary ye frɛ no Otukuno wode nsɛm bi aba batuga na asɛm a wɔka ene sɛ wohwɛ EC boss Miss Jane Mensah ene ne assistant a friend no Eric Bosman na omo ye nkrofo bi a omo ye MPP fo mapa. They are card bearing members of the MPP. Not just say womo kra MPP for card womo staunch MPP supporters and only as someone Otukuno Walker or alleged. Now, why I am reporting on this, and they say I'll bring you a story from I think 4 years ago. Exactly 4 years ago, the same thing, and then you know say Ghana has these political parties, they are just hypocrites. Sometimes they are just hypocrites. Utie asemwa Otukuno Walker Peter Boama Otukuno Walker na die Walker ne tentene ni tietie mu ane say NDC for womon trust EC say womo be hold fair and a free and fair election. Now my reason in I won't trust EC I will say Miss Jane Mensah no woye MPP ni mapa inti wobe ono na wo hwe data ene nyama so inti woye MPP ni de wobe manipulate data no se MPP wini kra na wobe ma MPP wini na me say Ghana te se woni obi be ko ntokwa ni nya sha say ye wa sha say wo ma complain say referee ni kra o ye say inti mi lusu am fan she referee no wa sha say wo ma excuse say wo lusu am. That doesn't talk na wo kokone kra no uni faith ewom uni vim say talk na wo be wini because what shall say wo kasa say ni there na say talk no o kra wa kuma enim sa say wo be wini, and it's very sad. But then say me atu jana me person me kinkan e was say since time immemorial we members of the NDC knew that we members of the NDC knew that woman was a full MPP person and her appointment now vindicates us. The circumstances surrounding the removal of the EC chair and her appointment means anyone the president nominates will be seen as MPP member. And this person speaking so the refi say we know so NDC time woman de Charlotte say and the buy. And this is the point where I'm saying, say Ghana political parties no, womo a hypocrite. Charlotte say, and that one also the same thing happened. The same thing happened. MPP for Babonte, omo put there, womo the pictures Babonte, my you who said Charlotte say, Kano, now Wakwako contesting for a seat. And this is seat crapping, will crebiasin, but in the name of Nanya. Ya kasa ya say Charlotte say D Emma Charlotte say ye babe yi ni free idea so, and I can tell you for a fact if NDC wins the 2020 elections this EC will be gone. I'm just telling you. So is that how we want to run this country? Some the person you run the country already now NDC back MPP appointees now were more government organizations no ye omufio na NDC no e de nkrofo aba. MPP so bad the same thing. So is this how we are running this country? We can't trust the previous government. Say we the nipa we wouldn't see her and then Mr. Domilevu MPP football full na more blasting or one of the reasons I want more can and say Mahama time so and Mahama and then by no crack in Japan crack. So Mahama time and the Mr. Domilevu by an actress and we juma ama Mahama. It's yen to the free idea so. Is that how we want to run this country? And if we run this country this way, how do we expect things to move on in this country? Because 4 years now they a company bit is a cocoa board. na mo penyi be 4 years NDC aba what the penyi or the NDC ni abetena koko board no say sa penyi no la won hwe koko board so sa penyi no eba no what the vision ene ne bibia aba na ya van say after 4 years na NDC lose na MPP aba MPP ba wo be sa koko board penyi no de ono so ni nipa aba ubon say nipa na MPP no wo de ne beba no because NDC former Cocoa Board penny no who say we will position into no where the plans are what the two whether they are good or not for the country crown one year now drink class or yet and also adding the plans and the agenda and never instead say we be sure who say oh me predecessor no the plan wey there eye ema kuafo eye ma Ghana eye ma wenti no menya no dabi obeka so masa eye NDC ni plan me amaba me MPP ni me so me de me plan eba and so these are some of the major reasons in here state institutions our Ghana has say we don't see any uplift in them no because when the exchange of government be na yes the heads and everyone comes with his plan. Obi anyone wobeba say woba even the president of this country crown woba NDC for input to juma no more ye NPP by are they doing it hospitals are no more see school even schools are NDC for Mahama Edegana Sika SC you know NPP by they are not using those schools you go carry say schools ni share schools ni share school na was say Ben City na school hefa na Ben school enye rem na wo schools enye rain enewo na ama community na dey develop it because people go for who say school or home the people will start building around the school and the community will develop and so putting up schools are even one of the reasons why and one of the ways to develop a community but you see the cheeky explanation the government gave to us so for me let me make and say NDC time MPP the same thing omo ba bonte ebeka say Charlotte say we NDC ni omo kanya magana for mo beje di ejidie enne omo so time edu nti share not least a person that the deputy general secretary just say asedun ketia eni ho a ono no wo ho asedun ketia eni ho a ono no wo ho Ababonte ebe can say way and he didn't provide any proof. Nanga woka say Jin Mensa any Eric Bossman no say there no womo a card bearing MPP members no. Na kenye wano sa keke ena wo de beka. Na wo de card aba. Now you who say indeed they are card bearing members of the MPP. And then I want to ask this question. So if the EC is a card-bearing member of the MPP, what's wrong? So the MPP so we are now saying say if MPP is even a bad political party, there's no one who is good in the MPP. So we are saying say if the NDC is also a bad political party, there is no one who is good in the NDC. And so and that yes, the EC is a card-bearing member of the MPP. Okay, and actually, what the young fan is a card-bearing member of the MPP. What's wrong with that? Because there are other MPP people yes, they are equally MPP in Gofubia, womo corrupt. There are also other equally MPP in Gofubia, womo they inform they belong to MPP, but they do their work diligently. Eba nejuma professionally of forgetting about MPP and NDC in them. So if the person has been a card-bearing member of the MPP before, does it mean that the person wouldn't be diligent in her work? So you see how these political parties pitch themselves to each other. Obi to me ba monte be ka say oh NDC ni there, we mo supporting NDC and one go school. You see, just because of politics in the Senate, you to me did think of what them. Uko baby na ko kasa we NDC ni ase wa bodia. Uko baby ko kasa we MPP ni ase wa bodia. For me, this shouldn't even be an issue in the first place. Because if the person is an NDC or an MPP or whatever, then you might want your NDSA, yes, near the judge. Don't try to our comment box for, but that's it.